Check for damage to the outer packaging of product components. Open the box to inspect the blackboard for scratches or bumps. If there is any cosmetic damage, take photos and feedback before installation. Check quantity of accessories. Position the sliding plate locking hole and upper pulleys. Take the top pulley and place it 20 centimeters from the side of the frame and drill a hole. Rivet fixing. Note, the top and back sides of the pulley must be fixed by rivets. Prevents pulleys fall off. The sliding block distinguishes the front and back positions. After the holes are drilled, rivets are inserted for fixation. Take the lock and fix the locking ring on the outside of the locking hole first. Put the lock into the hole and drill the hole to fix with rivet. Take the outer frame corners and edges and align the holes for splicing. Drill and fix with rivets. Chalkboard border with top and bottom horizontal frame splices. Push the sliding plates into the chute. Pulleys and sliders should be pushed into the corresponding chute. After the installation, perforated and riveted around corners. Pull the sliding plate down to the side of the bezel after the lock is placed in the lock hole. Fix the lock. Latch fixing to be horizontal. Place the fixed plate on the other side of the board. Take the matching number 4 pieces and place 6 of them evenly. Drill holes and rivet them separately. Measure the thickness of the large screen to properly cut the corners of the blackboard's adjustable frame. Rivet the aluminum tube fixture to the aluminum tube. Fix to the corners of the blackboard frame and the corners of the fixed board edges respectively. For baffle mounting, install chalkboard on wall bracket. A level measurement is recommended. Measure and mark the position of the bracket holes and turn. Use a 12 diameter drill bit to drill holes. Put in expansion plugs after drilling. Install the 6 brackets in sequence. Chalkboards on the wall require multiple people to work together. Place the baffle on the top or bottom side of the smartboard. Rivets on both sides of the baffle. Fix support parts in the middle of the baffle to prevent shaking. Rivet the blackboard to the bracket. Connect and fix the 6 brackets in turn. Mount the handle below the lock. Fasten the cap. Push the blackboard to about 5 mm from the edge of the smartboard and mark the position. Fix the stopper. Install the dust box. The dust box should be aligned with the open holes. The dust box should be parallel to the border. Side seals are installed on both sides of the frame and fixed against the wall. After the installation is complete, check whether it is stable. Cleaning of the site. Acceptance delivery on site.